Ever been at a party, chilling with your friends, and out of nowhere, you find yourself weirdly attracted to your friend's partner? Like, you're not trying to be shady or anything, but something in your chest kinda buzzes. It's confusing. Even worse, your own partner starts feeling boring, but someone else's, damn, suddenly they're charming, magnetic, desirable. You think you're broken? You're not. This isn't just you. That little whisper in your head, that's the black wolf talking. And I'm here to tell you exactly why it happens and what you can do about it. Okay, let's get into the real stuff. Psychologically speaking, this all starts with something called social proof. Basically, when we see someone, especially someone we like or respect, choose a partner, our brain automatically assumes that person must be valuable. It's like our subconscious goes, well, if they picked this person, there must be something great about them. And from there, the desire starts crawling in. That person becomes more attractive simply because someone else claimed them. It's a built-in shortcut in our mind, a survival mechanism. But it gets even deeper. There's a theory in evolutionary psychology that backs this up. Researchers like David Buss have found that humans are subconsciously drawn to pre-selected mates, people who've already been chosen by others. Why? Because our brain sees them as verified, safer, more desirable, and more likely to offer something of value. And that's not all. There's a darker instinct at play too, something I call status theft. You're not just attracted to the person. You're attracted to the social power they represent. Taking someone else's partner, even in fantasy, is like subconsciously trying to steal their status. It's primal, it's ego, it's domination. Now let's talk about your own partner. You've seen them in their sweatpants, yelling at the microwave, being tired, moody, unfiltered. But your friend's partner, you only see their edited version, the polished, social version. Your brain compares your raw footage to someone else's highlight reel, and of course it loses. That's where the trap is. And this is when the black wolf starts whispering, if you could steal them, you'd be the alpha. If you take what they have, you're stronger. You win. That voice feels good, doesn't it? Smooth, seductive. But that wolf doesn't care about you. It'll leave you empty every single time. But if you're hearing this right now, if you recognize that voice, then you've already started becoming a white wolf. See, white wolves don't pretend the darkness isn't there. We study it, we master it, and then we use it to protect ourselves, the people we love, and our damn sanity. So yeah, being attracted to other people's partners, it's not a personal failure, it's a mind trick, a game your brain plays on you. But once you understand it, you're no longer a pawn. You're a player. If you felt something shift in your mind today, hit that subscribe button and join the White Wolf Pack. Drop a comment and tell me, have you ever been into someone else's partner? Why do you think it happened? Let's talk about it, and let the rest of the wolves learn from your story.